Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing this box. I already know what's inside. It's some tamiya things. I don't know. Alright. Ooh. We have a Toyota Gazoo racing hybrid. I've seen this but I don't know what it does. Dang. It's cool. Next we have a dragon. Year of the Dragon 2024. That's kinda cool. Last we have a GR Supra Gazoo Racing. I've seen this one in the store. It's pretty cool. So that's all for today. We'll be doing like unboxing and just building it. See you next time. Bye. So guys, today we're going to be like building it now. We'll build this one first and get this next. Let's open it right now. Before that, let me show you what I have. If you didn't see the like the first video, we have two Tamiya, one GR Supra, and one racing hybrid. I guess. Open it. Oh, all right. Oh, I didn't know it was a polycarbonate body. Oh, it already says it right here. I didn't know that. Let's just build it though. It's kind of heavy. What is this? We have the tires, the rim, and the parts. Got the stickers and the manual. Patay puzzle. Kanya kok less ho? I less ho.